Okay, good morning, Year 5. So, a lesson today we're going to draw together a lot of our knowledge from angles, okay? So, we're going to be looking at pulling together the different facts that you know to help you find the missing angles of a mixture of different types today. So, not just looking at a straight line, not just looking around a point, we're going to be looking at a mixture of all of those. So, you're going to have to choose each time which piece of knowledge you're going to have to use, okay, which fact about the angle, and then you're going to have to complete the calculation. But before we get started, okay, I want you to spend some time today having a go at these arithmetic starters, okay? Additional subtraction. So pause the video, have a go at these. I want to see your workings out, okay, in when you said you're working to Class Dojo, please. So pause it and have a go at those. Great, okay, well done. So there are your answers for those. Double check your answers. If you've made a mistake, don't just scribble it all out, rub it out, get rid of it. Just edit it and complete it next to it. Okay, redo it and make sure you can get to that right answer. So we are going to think about what we've learnt so far about angles. Okay, we have learnt about different types of angles. Okay, and we are looking today, okay, at these ones here. Full turn, right angle, and straight line. Now, what is the key information that you're going to need for each of these? Okay, a full turn, 360 degrees. Okay, really important. A right angle, 90 degrees. Really important. And a straight line, 180 degrees. Okay, so that's really important. You're going to need that today. Now, you are going to have some which are right angles, okay? If they look like a right angle like this, okay, there are no trick ones in there today. So if it looks like a right angle, okay, even though it's not rounded off, it is a right angle today, okay? So I've not given you any that are tricks. So you need to think, what do we know? What does that whole angle? Okay, I know it's a right angle, so I know this one's going to be 90 degrees, okay? And then I'm going to need to subtract the angle that I've got, okay, to find the missing angle. So 90 degrees is the whole angle, subtract this part, will leave me with this section here. So I can't do that. Okay, I'm going to have to do this. So 5. Okay, 8 subtract 3 is 5. So I know that that missing angle is 55 degrees. Okay. Here, what's the fact that I need? I'm looking this time at a straight line, aren't I? So I know that I'm going to have to do 180, okay, subtract something, so I can do this one in my head, can't I? 35 add 20, I know is 55. So I'm going to be able to do that in my head, okay, and then I can find this missing part here. So again, we've got our calculation, 10 subtract 5 is 5, 7 subtract 5 is 2, and 1 subtract 0 is 1. Okay, so I know that this angle is 125 degrees. Okay, so I've used my knowledge, I've selected the knowledge, and then I've worked out the calculation. And again here, okay, I know this time that I'm looking at a full turn, okay, around a point. So I know I'm going to be using 360 degrees this time. And you're going to have to choose whether you're looking at a right angle, a straight line, or a full turn today. So I then have got 155 and 155, so I can add those together. Okay, so I know straight away that that's 310. Okay, 150 and 150 is 300, 5 and 5 is 10, 310. Now, I don't need to do a column to look at this, okay? I know that that's going to be 50. I know that 310 to 360, okay, is 50 degrees. And if we wanted to double check that, we could, but, okay, we can recognise, can't we? We can spot straight away that 360 subtract 310 is 50. So you've got a mixture today of your angles. You're going to have to work out, are you going to be using 90 degrees because it's a right angle, 180 degrees because it's a straight line, or 360 degrees because it's a full turn. So select the angle fact that you need and then complete the calculation to find the missing part of the angle. Look forward to seeing it on Class Dojo.